going live because I'm in Miami right now. Let me flip this over to my side. I'm in Miami right now, and there is no Wi-Fi out here. I'm like, let me check into the Hilton. I'm a gold member. I know they have good Wi-Fi if I pay for it, but it's down for the day. So I am going to, this is my first time recording a video like this, but I want you guys to watch because I have some big news, and you could win. So I want you to, listen, like, subscribe if you haven't, and let's get into the video. So first of all, we have an awesome green day. 13% for Bitcoin, 10% for Ethereum. Look at these ones as well right here. AVAX, all of that great stuff. What's up, amazing news? So what I want to mention before we get into the technical analysis is, like I mentioned, I'm in Miami right now. I'm in South Beach right now. South Beach is just awesome. So what I'm going to do is and this is, I'm telling you guys right now, I'm going to do a giveaway to fly somebody out to Miami April 6th to 9th for this Bitcoin event. Can you please take a look at Insure Token? I'll have to take a look at that after we take a look at Bitcoin if I have time. So what I'm saying is somebody will win a flight, will win a hotel room, for multiple nights to go to Bitcoin 2022, meet up with the team, meet up with industry leaders there. We got a lot of people speaking here. Jordan Peterson, the president, there you have him, president of El Salvador, Michael Saylor, OG Adam back, and the list goes on. Obviously, you have us as well. Let me show you guys. Blockchain academics all the way at the bottom with Bitcoin 2022 official media partners, Blockchain academics. So we are going to be giving away multiple tickets for people to come, but we're going to do this ultimate giveaway to fly somebody out and to pay for their hotels and just to hook them up so they could come to Bitcoin Miami 2022. So watch out for that video. We're going to try and make a nice video when I'm in, it's going to come out soon. That's all I'm going to say. We're heading to California and Vegas next tomorrow. So we're seeing headlines like this. Bitcoin jumps 10% after Treasury imposes new sanctions against Russia's central bank. Honestly, I think this is bullish. And then you saw Ukraine actually tweet out a Bitcoin and Ethereum link. I should have pulled that out, but Ukraine pulled out they tweeted a Bitcoin and Ethereum link. Do you see how powerful that is when a country is literally at war and mass panic and the country is asking for Bitcoin and Ethereum? That's just some powerful stuff. So like I mentioned, the hotel doesn't have Wi-Fi. I was freaking out on how I'm going to do a video. So if you missed the first few minutes, I announced a giveaway. Bitcoin 2022. We're going to fly somebody out to Miami because I'm just in love with the city right here. And if you haven't been to Miami, this is your chance. Let's go to Bitcoin now. We're seeing a huge pump. So what I like here is we got the cross on the 4 and 9. I'm going to trade this religiously. I'm going to trade the cross, the golden cross, and the death cross. So right here was a sell, right here was a buy. And I was looking at this resistance, and we're going to change the color to green because now we are actually floating above that. We still have this area to break. So this is the lower high right here, and this is the resistance. We couldn't break that last time. I'm looking for us to break this whole zone. If we don't, so take a look at the RSI as well. If we kind of break down here and this breaks down, this could have just been a false pump, and then we're heading back lower. We haven't made any sort of high here. We haven't invalidated any of these lower highs. So this is still in a very risky area. We're still not, clear out of the water or whatever you want to call it. And you can see right here, as soon as we got up to resistance, now we're seeing some sell pressure. So I'll be trading live, not like other YouTubers with fake fake accounts and things like that. I'll be selling some Bitcoin, a portion of my Bitcoin on the flip. We got the buy. So if we do break down here, I'll be selling maybe 6 Bitcoins into USD, and I'll be looking for the reposition, the buy. If we go to a larger time frame, I did a video like I'm looking for a huge buy signal, and that was the 4 and 9 crossing on the weekly. I'm really obsessed with this signal because it just, especially while I'm traveling. You know, I'm on Ocean Drive right now. The beach is right behind me. It's crazy. I don't have the time to be watching these signals, smaller time frames. So I'm going to use a larger time frame, and I'm going to use a very simple strategy. So a golden cross buy, death cross sell. And I'm waiting for that on the weekly. If we get a golden cross on the weekly, I think it'll do fairly well, and Bitcoin will come back to test this area right here. This is the kind of area I'm looking at, $53,000. So if we can break above this area, I am looking for a $10,000 move to $52,000, $53,000 before we see some major resistance. But of course, we need to clear this right here. So if we get the cross, I'm looking at 53K. If we don't, the daily death cross would be your exit. If we can't break above this, this wouldn't be good. Then I have some conviction that we might be going to test these lows again. There's a lot of uncertainty in the world right now, so I'm not sure where the price is heading, but I'm very happy that I got the flip because I didn't exit Bitcoin when I should have here. So as soon as we break down, I'll be exiting, and I'll post when I do so. So aside from that, Bitcoin's looking very good. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum, it's pretty much the same thing, honestly. So I'll just go back to BTC. So it's very important you don't FOMO in. Like from here, if we did ruler to here, about a 30% move from the bottom. So you know how Bitcoin does. It either is going to just snap up to the upside, or it's going to give us a pullback. And it does it when most people start FOMOing in. So this would be bad if we get rejected here and this gets rejected here. We're looking for the RSI to break out, and we're looking for price to break above the red line. So I'm looking for the support to or the resistance to get broken, and then this red zone acts as support. We see the change of polarity, and this would be an awesome buy area if it did something like that. And I would watch it go to $53,000. That would be my target. And if it breaks down here, I sell and I reposition lower. So as I mentioned, I wanted to do a quick video as there's, and this is my first time doing a video like this. This is like Moon, Carl Moon, whatever those guys, this is their styles of video. Kind of sometimes it's cringy, not gonna lie, but I had to get a video up. This is the only way to do it with no Wi-Fi, with no working Wi-Fi in the building. If you missed the first few minutes, I'm going to be flying out. Blockchain Academics is going to be flying out one person, and we're going to give multiple tickets. So we have a bunch of tickets to Miami, South Beach specifically, for the largest Bitcoin event in the world. This is one of many events that will be like sponsoring people to, we're covering their flights, we're covering their hotel, we're going to cover their ticket and everything else. So aside from that, Bitcoin's looking good. We're not out of the clear. This zone needs to be broken. If not, I'm selling. If so, I'm looking for a long to $53,000. And after that, I'll have to chart up Bitcoin. Look at how the price action flowed up there and all that great stuff. So I hope you guys enjoy. The beautiful day. Not many days do we see BTC up 13%, Ethereum up almost 10%, and then all your favorite shitcoins doing very well. Is that Luna at 20%? Is that Luna at 30%? Holy smokes. So don't FOMO into the market. I know it's just exploded. And a lot of people probably sold into the fear and sold into the war fear, into the war narrative, and now it's pumped up. They're probably going to buy, and it's going to fall. They're going to sell, and they practice buying high and selling low, while we should be practicing the opposite. So enjoy the rest of the day. Look out for this giveaway. It's going to be huge. We might throw in more. We're looking for sponsors like BYBIT, Binance, or something like that to just spice it up for the winner. Thank you guys for supporting us. Going to Vegas tomorrow for the Bitcoin event, so we have a lot of content coming your way. Hit the subscribe, hit the like. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for watching.